Mo ni siya atong complex numbers and their applications. So natay problem. You are designing an antenna system and need to analyze the propagation of electromagnetic waves. The waves are represented by E is to Z and T is equals to E sub 0 E to the power of J to WT minus beta times Z. So, problem. Given W is equals to 2 pi times 10 is 10 to the power of 9 radical over S and beta is equals to 2 pi over lambda, with lambda is equals to 0.15 meter. Find the phase constant. Find the phase constant beta. And B, calculate the wavelength and propagation speed of the electromagnetic wave. So, mo itong solution. So, unahan na to ang A. The phase constant beta is related to the wavelength lambda by the formula beta is equals to 2 pi over lambda. So itong given is lambda is equals to 0.15 meter. And ato na siyang i-substitute. So may metabo is mo ni siya. So beta is equals to 2 pi over 0.15. Then ato siyang i-calculate dayon. Calculate beta is equals to 2 pi over 0.15 is equals to 6.2832 over 0.15 is equals to 41.89 radical meter. Ay sorry kung anda ang tawagan na day 41.89 radian per meter. And ang kani sa taas sama to. And kani is W is equals to 2 pi times 10 to the power of 9 radian per second. Mo na siya day. Sorry. So next is ang B na pod. So wavelength and propagation speed. The wavelength lambda is already given as lambda equals to 0.15. To find the propagation speed V, we use the relationship between the angular frequency W, the phase constant beta, and the propagation speed V. So, mo ni siya ang formula. V is equals to frequency over beta. So, ang given is W is equals to 2 pi times 10 to the power of 9 radian per second. And beta is equals to 41.89 radian per meter. Sa itong buhaton dira is ato na siyang i-substitute so mahimo siyang V equals to 2 pi times 10 to the power of 9 over 4.89. So atong i-calculate dayon. Then so mo to siya, ato siyang i-calculate dayon. So V is equals to 6.2832 times 10 to the power of 9 over 41.89. So ang answer is 1.5 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So mo na siya ang atong propagation speed yes, atong siyang mo siya atong kuan propagation speed.